In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram message request not showing problem or Instagram message request problem. If your Instagram message requests are not showing problem, if these issues usually related settings, apps or account restriction problem, let's see the solution. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Instagram application. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open your Instagram app. Go to profile picture. Click on setting icon. Scroll down. Click on help. Again click on report a problem. Click on report problem. Tap on include and continue. You can briefly explain your problem. Hi Instagram support team, my Instagram account message request not showing problem, solve as soon as possible and send the support team. Step 3. Open Play Store. Go to search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. Step 4. Again open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 5. Restart your device and again open it. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram message request not showing problem or Instagram message request problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.